Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Descript for Overdub and Studio Audio Cleanup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Descript and create a new project. Ensure you have the audio file you want to edit ready to import. Drag and drop your audio file into the project window. Once the audio is uploaded, locate the audio track in your timeline. To access the Overdub feature, navigate to the Overdub tab in the right panel. Make sure you set up your voice model if you haven't done this before. To create a new voice model, click on Create Voice and follow the prompts to record your voice. After your voice model is ready, return to the Overdub tab. Highlight the text in your script where you'd like to use the Overdub feature. Click on the Overdub button to apply your voice model to the selected text. Review the generated audio to ensure it meets your quality standards. Next, for audio cleanup, select your audio track in the timeline. Navigate to the effects panel located on the right side of the screen. Choose the studio sound effect to improve the clarity and quality of your audio. Adjust the settings of the studio sound effect to fit your preferences. Play back your audio to hear the changes take effect. If necessary, refine the audio further by using additional effects found under the effects panel. Once satisfied with your edits, finalize your project by exporting it. Hit the Export button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred export settings and format before saving the final project. Congratulations, your audio is now polished and ready for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.